Back in with ABC 10 News meteorologist Angelica Campos, looking at a warm up and obviously that windy weather.
That's right, guys. St. Ana winds are on the way. And of course, anytime we talk about St. Ana winds, we have to consider what's the speed, what to expect. And they are going to be strong. So there's a potential for damaging winds. It is also going to dry out the air, which is already fairly dry around the county, and the temperatures are at 59 degrees now, a little bit better than the last couple of nights at this time, but we are expecting the overnight to be quite chilly as well. Strong winds could peak Wednesday morning at 70 miles per hour for some isolated areas. The average wind gust is going to range from 40 to 60 miles per hour. Again, it'll target valleys, foothills, and mountains. And for coastal communities and deserts not included in the high wind warning, the winds could also reach between 30 to 40 miles per hour. So tomorrow will be widespread around the county. Tonight, not a lot of wind near the coast, very calm in some areas like Escondido and Poway, but of course that is going to be changing as you travel to the East County, Harrison Park. Here in the Big Black Mountain area, winds already have ranged between 25 to 35 miles per hour. Also the case in Alpine at this hour. And again, our high wind warning will be starting at 8 o'clock until 10 p.m. Wednesday for all this area highlighted in the yellow color. So from the valleys back to the mountains. As we go hour by hour, you can see how some of that wind starts stretching into our coastal communities. What that will do is basically create a warming process, and that is going to bring temperatures up into the mid 70s tomorrow for our coastal communities. But of course, on the other side, we have the wind to deal with. So it's not going to be sunny and pleasant. It's going to be sunny and warm. And then as you travel to the East County, those numbers also will average in the mid 70s. Those winds out of the northeast will persist for most of the week, impacting our mountains all the way through the end of the week, with a second round expected Friday night into Saturday. Alrighty, let's check out our 7-day forecast. Here's what you can expect at the coast. 74 degrees tomorrow. It'll be sunny. It will be breezy, especially late in the morning. As we go towards the end of the week, the numbers cool back down and then they go up again over the weekend. Inland communities will average in the mid 70s Wednesday, Thursday, but a windy day in store tomorrow. It'll stay breezy. On Thursday, those St. Ana winds are going to continue. They're just going to weaken just a little bit on Thursday, and then they ramp up again Friday night into Saturday, mostly targeting our mountains for that second round. But in the deserts, just windy tomorrow and then nicer as we head into the weekend.
Only 2 rounds, or will there be more rounds, do you think?
It is very possible. This is the season, so we'll keep you up to the latest.
Yeah, thanks, Angelica.